All this for that, floating around inside the tank. It's getting stuck in the pickup. So yeah, bloody of course there's a few fucking dramas. There's a fuel tank sender. So yeah, no, that's the inside of the fuel lid. Obviously it broke off at some point, fell in the tank. She's been causing us all this drama ever since. Well, till yesterday, day before. What's today? Friday, Thursday, Wednesday. Wednesday it broke down on me. It's on the side of the road for 45 minutes, trying to get air back through the system so as it blow whatever's in there out, and that's what was in there. I'm going to wash this up and put it back in. Well, it's all back together. I got it pretty well in the same spot. It's a bit of a scuff mark here. I don't know what it's from. I think this might have been loose at some point prior to us having it. Now to limp it over to the fuel bay, try and get some fuel into it. I think we'll make it. I think there's enough in there in the tank still to, you know, get picked up. This tank's got crap in it too. This is only a secondary tank. There's no balance bar. Where is it? Under there. With a white sticker in the middle of the screen. That's a little electric pump that pumps from the right tank into the left tank. And it keeps it level, so it must work. And it's got another sender in there, you see? So it must work off of that. So there's another fuel sender. Tells it where they both are, and then pump fuel in at it accordingly. All right, wish me luck. Wind. Oh, come on, already. That all looks good. Runs good. Been for a drive. Runs alright. That's from the other tank. So while I was putting fuel in this before, I felt everything full. I pulled up. There was about, I don't know, that much left in this tank. So it was running on that obviously, but it was busy trying to transfer out of the other tank. So if it ever dies, stops doing that, we know why. It's got an electric pump. Well, considering I had that out, and that one was already stripped, but previously it's been out before. This whole tank's been out for some other reason. So yeah. Yeah, some of these were fucking tight. Anyway, I'll do what I do. And I've got to plug my airlines in and yeah. Make sure all is on there. Then I'm going to go have some lunch after this.